Last week, 5 million MNT tokens were airdropped to BYBIT token holders. The price has grown by over 21% since then. MNT is a native token of Mantle, a layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum. I took my time to research the project and it is actually very interesting and promising. I'll reveal all that in this video and answer the question, is it a good time to buy MNT? As I said earlier, MNT is a native token of Mantle. So what is Mantle? Mantle Network is a layer 2 chain on Ethereum. It uses optimistic rollup to enable faster and cheaper transaction, meaning it bundles many transactions together and executes them off-chain while still verifying them on-chain. This way, Mantle can process faster and cheaper transactions while still being compatible with Ethereum. To put this into perspective, transactions on Mantle are 500 times cheaper than transactions on Ethereum. Now, there are 3 reasons I believe MNT will continue to grow in the upside direction. The first reason is Mantle has a unique approach to gas fee. Unlike other layer 2 solutions, gas fee on Mantle are not paid in ETH, they are paid in MNT. This means that you don't have to own ETH to perform transactions on Mantle. This particular point extends the utility of MNT beyond governance. If Arbitrum's ARB token, so far as it is now, is only a governance token and has done pretty well, it is safe to say that MNT will do better since its use case extends beyond governance. So more demand, more price to the upside. Second reason is that MNT is a deflationary token. It is deflationary just like Ethereum, but unlike Ethereum, all MNT generated as gas fees are burned. Ethereum burns just a fraction of its gas fee generated. Secondly, Ethereum continuously creates new tokens. Mantle Network does not create new tokens. So the deflation is faster in Mantle when compared to Ethereum. The third reason is that Mantle keeps its community busy. Now, this is how. It has attracted and is still attracting more dApps. On its first day of launch, a remarkable number of dApps were ready to roll on Mantle. They include Fusion X Finance, which is the first DEX to launch on Mantle. It is already offering a variety of liquidity pool and opportunity for some lucrative yield farming. Another is TimeSwap. It is a lending platform and the first of its kind on Mantle. Rarible, the popular NFT marketplace, has also announced its support for NFT on Mantle. These are just a few, and the Mantle team are not leaving all this to chance. They have activated a grant program for developers on the Mantle network. They aim to give away $100 million in grants over the next 3 years. Now, $100 million in grants will attract more developers to build more dApps, bring more users who will use the dApp, and to use the dApp, they will have to buy MNT to interact with the dApps, thereby increasing the demand and the value of the MNT token. So, is it a good time to buy? I personally will start accumulating for the long run, but the decision is all yours to make. To buy MNT token, you can use a centralized or decentralized exchange. For the centralized exchange, sign up on BYBIT using the link in the description and make your first deposit. Then you can go on to buy Mantle from the spot markets. And of course, BYBIT is not the only exchange that supports MNT. MEXC and BingX also supports MNT. But the advantage of using BYBIT is that you can also join my 30 days BYBIT trading challenge using the link in the description. I drop trading signals every day and hold live sessions 3 times a week to teach my community how to trade cryptocurrencies profitably. To buy on a DEX, decentralized exchange, go to Uniswap on Ethereum. Once you have bought, you can then bridge to the Mantle network afterwards. Also, don't forget to do your due diligence before buying. I'll see you in the next video.